Hey everybody, I wanted to put together a little video for the assignment this week. This is the week 4 word assessment. I wanted to do this because I think in the past it's caused some confusion for some students. So I wanted just to take 2 minutes and walk you through it just so that there isn't any confusion when you get into it. So you see we're here in Blackboard. This is week 4. We got the discussion board up there, and right here is the word assessment. Now, before you get into this, make sure that you're actually going through the lecture itself. That's going to give you all the information you need in order to do this assignment. When you get to this assignment, you see how it says you're going to be turning in a brief article summary for your workplace. That's the hypothetical. You're actually not going to really be doing that because we give it to you, okay? What you're going to be doing, that's the hypothetical, you're going to be taking this Word document, which is right here, and you're going to be taking the text and you're going to be manipulating and changing it through Microsoft Word, okay? So you're going to copy and paste the text of the article into a blank Word document, and then you're going to format it according to APA formatting, just like you learned about in the practice in the lecture. So how does this look? Well, right here, this link will take you to this document. It's 2 pages. These are the instructions. The directions, it gives you this scenario again, just like I mentioned to you, and these are the requirements. So you're going to set the margins to 1 inch, Times New Roman, 12-point font, running header, cover page, etc., etc. So all these points are required in order to get this done properly. Here's an example of how it's supposed to look when it's completed. So make sure you're checking your work with this in order to see if you've actually done it correctly. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be following, or you're going to be taking this element here. So it says this next portion is what you copy and paste. You're going to highlight this from the running head all the way down, all of it. You're going to copy and paste it and put it into a blank Word document. First thing you do is you're going to take the bold off the whole thing. It shouldn't be bold. Then you're going to follow these instructions and manipulate and change this. So one of the things you're going to do first is if this is the running head, you can take out running head. Same thing with title. Name, you're going to put in your name. College, you're going to put in Brian Stratton, but you don't need the name colon, college colon. Just put in Sally Johnson, your name, whatever, Brian Stratton. You're going to put in that as the course title, Miss Baker, and then today's date. There's not going to be an abstract, so you get rid of this whole portion right there. Get rid of the text of the paper. So this is your first page, and then you're going to learn, because you already learned how to do this, you're going to use page breaks, and this is going to be your second page. And then this is going to be your third page. You're going to end up with 3 separate pages, a title page, a text page, and then a reference page. But you want to make sure that to those pages, you're doing all this. It's all 12-point font, Times New Roman. Margins are set at 1 inch. You have a running header, a double space, headers as needed, cover page. Make sure the reference page looks appropriate according to APA formatting, like you learned about. And that's really what you want. You want this to look like what you see in this PDF. That is how you're going to complete this. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy, but it's given people some trouble, I think in part because the instructions are a little kind of complex and confusing. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Thanks.